Why do you have to compare this to food? This doctor always does that. It does not look like a croissant. And God forbid, I hope it doesn't taste like one either. This poor gentleman dealing with this with his feet. I know I'm making light of it just because of my own issues with feet, but this is a real issue that he has. It's got to be painful to walk on these feet, and so I hope that he can get some good treatment and get walking comfortably again. Do you see that? What's the most painful thing to step on? We all know it's a Lego. And you can see that corn is bigger than a piece of Lego. So can you imagine every day having that on the bottom of your foot and walking on it? I mean, how utterly painful. This is gonna feel